Peekaboo, I'm black. I'm back. It's Champagne again. I'm about to sing another song. I am so bored. I am so tired. As you can see, my roommate is not here at all. She's not here. She left. I don't know where she went. She went to her partner's house. So I'm here by myself. I stopped on my brew about like an hour and a half ago, and I'm excited. That's the baby. That's my heart. Anyway. So right now I'm about to sing Can't Stand the Rain by Boyz II Men. Sadly, I really can't find the instrumental, but I found somebody on there, ABC Graphics. Yeah, I guess he was playing the piano. But don't get me wrong, you was good, you was hitting it, I just couldn't follow. But I love you though. Don't get me wrong. So, yeah. So here we go. On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. When that's not possible, tell me, can you weather the storm? Oh, 'cause I need somebody who will stand by me. Through the good times and bad times, he will always be right there, yeah. Sunny days, everybody loves him. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come, and this we know is true. Can you stand the rain? Love unconditional. I'm not asking this of you. Gotta make it last. I'll do whatever needs to be done. 'Cause I need somebody who'll stand by me. Through the good times and bad times, he will always be right there for me, yeah. Sunny days, everybody loves him. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come, and this we know is true. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?